Hello my dear students, class 10. Today I am coming with the drawing or the ray diagram of spherical mirror. Okay, so last day I already taught about the spherical mirror. What is spherical mirror, the different terms of spherical mirror, and the how to draw the ray diagram, which type of ray we are going to use. So this type of discussion we already done. So now in this video I am going to tell you how to draw, how to form image formation by a concave mirror. So our today's topic is for concave mirror. Okay, so draw the image by a concave mirror. So student, for that you need a scale of full length scale, compass, okay, compass, needle, pencil, okay, and pen. So student, first of all you just put your scale like this. If you put your scale like this, you put your scale and mark a straight line like this. Okay, I don't have any scale to draw in the board, that's why I am drawing with my hand. Okay, so this is a line I have drawn. This line is called principal axis. Now you just mark with the scale with 2 cm gap. Think it's a pole, and another take 2 cm, that will be your focus, and another 2 cm for center of curvature. And you just put your compass like this. If you put your compass like this, suppose think this is a needle, okay, of the compass, and this is your pencil, and make a curve like this. Make a curve. Okay, so by making this curve you all get this type of mirror, and this mirror, this is called a spherical mirror. So this is a spherical mirror, and then make it silvering on the outer surface. So this is your spherical mirror, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay, take 2 cm distance, 2 cm distance. Okay, so measure 2 cm distance, get it, 2. Okay, and write focus and center of curvature. Then number 1, drawing number 1, if the object placed beyond center of curvature, beyond C. Okay, C means center of curvature. So our first drawing is object placed beyond center of curvature. Okay, so for that student, just put the object like this. Okay, take 1 cm measurement of object, and you please stay the object placed far from the center of curvature to get the line properly. Then 2 lines you have to make. First line parallel to the principal axis like this, parallel to the this is your principal axis, and you just draw a line parallel to the principal axis. And you know, if the line parallel to the principal axis always passes through the form focus, so it always passes through the focus like this. Okay, so you first of all you draw parallel line parallel to the principal which passes to the focus, and line number 2, it passes from the center of curvature, and after striking it will come back to the same path, because you know at the center of curvature, if the ray of light passes the center of curvature, it's after striking the surface it will come back to the same line. So that's why it will come back in the same line. Student, so you have to draw these 2 rays, and other rays also reflected by the spherical mirror to form the image, but here you have to show only the 2 lines, and these are parallel line passes through the focus, line number 2 from center of curvature, after striking it again come back to the same path. Then student, you can see there is a point where the 2 lines intersect each other, and that from that point you can draw an image. So this is the object and this is the image. Okay. So this is the drawing where the object placed beyond the center of curvature. Now after the drawing, I think you must mention the characteristics of the image. The characteristics of the image means how the image looks like. See, number one, characteristics of the image. Number one, after drawing, you must apply the characteristics of image. And number one, the image is inverted. Sorry, image first of all, write real. Why real? If you place an screen, if you place a screen over here, you can see the image on the screen. So image on the screen means that this is a real type of image, and real image always inverted. See, inverted image, not erect. It's inverted. Okay, inverted means reverse, opposite to that of the object. Inverted image. Number two, it's a real and inverted, and it is diminished. Diminished, smaller image than the object, diminished, and it is placed between center of curvature and focus. So student, you can see if the object running towards the spherical mirror, the image will go away from the spherical mirror, and first image form which is diminished, and second one it will be slightly larger, slightly bigger, and then and so on. Okay. So our second drawing, student. Second drawing number 2. There is a space we can draw here. Object placed at the center of curvature. Now, actually, what we're doing, we want to do the we actually move the object towards the spherical mirror. Now, the object placed at center of curvature. So first of all, you will draw a line which is called a principal axis, then a mirror with the help of, first of all, draw the principal axis, then this is the pole, and take 2 centimeter distance. Focus, again take 2 centimeter distance with center of curvature. Okay. So first of all, you draw the, listen the system how to draw step by step. First of all, you have to draw a principal axis. Okay. Then you take 2 centimeter distance. 2 centimeter distance and look at the point, right pole, focus, center of curvature. Then taking the center of curvature point, you draw with the help of compass, you draw a spherical mirror. Taking the center of curvature point, you draw center, you draw a spherical mirror. After doing this, you place the object and see the question. What? The written object placed at C. So place the object here at C. Okay. Then student, as I told you earlier, you have to draw 2 lines. The first line is the parallel to the principal axis. Okay. And which is passes through the focus. Right. And another line, there is no way to draw the center of curvature. So you can draw it from the focus like this, and it will meet at the point where the center of curvature. Actually, by scale you can make it correct. Okay. So at that point we will get a real image. Why real? Because student, this is an inverted image. So this is your object. This is object. Okay. This is object and this is your image. I can make it with the help of red color image. So this is image. Can you see the red color image? Okay. So this is your image. So student, here also you have to write the characteristics of the image after drawing it. So number 1, the image will be inverted. Image will be inverted. Inverted means real actually. First of all, write real. Real, and real image always inverted. Number 2, same size student. Same size. Same size as object. So students, see, it's a very important fact comes out that if the object moving towards the spherical mirror, see the first image is diminished, and when it towards the spherical mirror, the image will come out with away from the mirror, and the size also increases. First of all diminish, then same size, then you see that if the object placed at between C and F, the image will be slightly higher than the previous. Let's see. So our third drawing, I can make it here also. So our third drawing, see. Our third drawing, object placed between center of curvature and focus. See, this is first of all you draw the principal axis, then take 2 centimeter distance. This is your focus. Then again 2 centimeter distance, take center of curvature here. Okay. Now draw the spherical mirror. Okay. I already done. Then see the question. Object placed between C and F. So now you will place the objects, slightly small object, okay, so that you can manage the whole diagram. So it's a trick student. Listen. So if for this drawing, this is drawing number 3. So for drawing number 3, you place the object and the size of the object little small. Draw it little small so that you can manage the diagram. So next you draw similar lines. First line parallel to the principal axis, it will passes through the focus. It will passes through the focus, right? Okay, and another line you can draw. From center of curvature to that point. Okay. See. So this line we can draw it as bold line. So see, from center of curvature, if it is passes from center of curvature, it will come back in the same line. So here is the intersection. In the intersection, we can draw the image with, here I use red color. This is image. This is object. Okay, this is your object. Okay, so student, you can see the characteristics you can write. Image will be same thing, real. Okay, then inverted. Okay, and then slightly larger than the object. So means it's a magnified image. So you can write real number 2 point is a magnified image. Okay, so these are the characteristics of the image formation when the object placed between C and F. See, this is C and this is F. Object placed in between these two, and you get the image like this. So student, what I've seen, that if the object moving towards the spherical mirror, the image will go out away from the spherical mirror. Student, in the next video, I will discuss the another 3 drawing. Okay, another 3 drawing of the spherical mirror of concave. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you students.